Hello, I am Magizhan. I am from Tamil Nadu. I completed my BE graduation in Coimbatore. After that, I came JSpiders to change my skills. And then here JSpiders is good place to learn. And then they provide good training, and then mock, and then presentation class to improve our communication skills. It is really good to study and then improve our skills. And then there are three of my trainers. First, Syed sir is very good. He was very clear. He was explaining clearly, and I can understood easily with what he taught. And then Nityan and Vivek sir, they both are good, and then teaching very well.